Ayan guys, i-preserve natin itong ang palaya. Kasi nahihinog lang siya. Paboritong ulam sa panahon ng mainit ang palaya. Ayan. Ito, medyo hinog na ito. We're gonna fry it. Fry them with egg. This, because this one is still green, we have, just check if there is I'm going to preserve these seeds to grow in the garden, the pot. Yeah, this one is still not good. Ayan guys, i-freezer ko lang to, hihiwain ko siya tapos i-frozen ko. Para anytime na kailangan ko, kukuha na rin sa freezer. Masarap ito sa pakbitin. Marami yung magawahan eh. Nakasale kasi guys. Dati yun eh, 8 per kilo. Minsan bumatas pa eh. Lang yan, 4 na piraso yan yata. Malaki. So dito lang, ipag-isa natin ito. Still baby pa. Hindi pa pwede yung niya. Buto. So how to do this guys? I have the video for this. I done that with eggs. Simple cooking. So this is the curly one. Masyado siyang curly. But the bitter, bitter, much better than all this. I got the other types of this one. This is we usually use, but this one usually in the how do you call it? Papaitan, or we put that one in a packet. Mixed vegetables like chunks of squash, chunks of eggplant, green beans, what else? Basta mixed vegetables siya. Ayun yung papaitan. Masarap yun kapag may dahon ng ampalaya. Marami ito sa freezer natin. Ipipreserve sa freezer. Kasi usually bumibili ako sa mga shop ng frozen ng ganito eh. Yung pagkakat nga nun, mayroong hindi nila inalis yung seeds kasama lahat. Kalit lahat pati na rin. But this one is more clean without the seeds. So yeah. I like it this way. Hindi pa siya. Still baby pa yung kanyang seeds. Thank you so much everyone for watching. It's just the update. I'm sorry everyone. I was just having something. So I'm a little bit busy. So ngayon magaan ang aking mukha. So yes. It's suddenly one night magal yung mukha ko. While I'm waiting for it. Something, wala ko na sabihin dito. Okay guys. Puyat ako, pero hindi nakakatulog ng aga kasi medyo yung isa ko. Naantayin pa namin. ganito siya tingnan. There. See how beautiful is that? I got some more. What do you think, everyone? I'm just gonna rinse this and then put in the freezer. So I got 4 more. Back home, oh my goodness, there's plenty of this. It's like plant this in your garden. You have a lot just for one piece of plants. It's very good of giving you ampalaya. I like it like this. It's so nice looking. Ayan, oh. Ayan, push na push. Ayan, shout out sa ating pambayan, guys. Shout out sa all mga friend natin dyan, mga mababait, mga masisipag, mga maganda at mga pogi. Hindi naman lang shout out sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much, everyone, for supporting always. Lutuin natin yung yung straight one. And then mixed with bit curly. That would be enough tomorrow. I like it. Eating this alone. Okay. There you go. That's done. Okay guys, I'm just going to rinse this. Wow, nice one. Thank you so much.